Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to allow sounds in specific sites in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. In the top right corner of the Chrome window, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. From the options in the drop-down menu, locate and click on the Settings option. Step 4. On the left side of the Settings page, find and click on the Privacy and Security section. This will expand the options related to privacy and security settings. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll find various options. Look for the Site Settings option and click on it. Step 6. Scroll down on the Site Settings page until you see the Additional Content Settings option. Click on it to access additional content-related settings. Step 7. Within the Additional Content Settings, locate the Sound option. Click on it to access the sound-related settings. Step 8. Under the Allowed to Play Sound section, you'll see an Add button. Click on it to add a site to the allowed list. Step 9. A dialog box will appear where you can enter the URL of the site you want to enable sound for. Once you've entered the URL, click Add to add it to the allowed list. By following these simple steps, you can enable sound for specific sites, ensuring an enhanced browsing experience tailored to your preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.